Assalamualaikum. This is Mohammed Rameez and you are watching Flutter Fluency. So in this video we are going to discuss about image and circular image. Okay, so let's talk about what is image and what is image widget and what are the capabilities of using image widget and when we use circular image. So I have already added one image widget, so you can see that this is most commonly used element as well. So you just need to simply drag and drop the widget, and then let's talk about what are the capabilities of image widgets. So basically image widget can take you can add a width and height, which is obvious. Here you can also add minimum height and minimum height and minimum width. So by default image widget comes up with the 8 pixels of border radius, but I'm not gonna add any border radius at this point. So like I'm gonna make it centered as well. So now you can see that the sharp edges image widget have. So image widget basically take three kind of types which image can show. Okay, so first type is basically a network image. Okay, so network image means that your image is deployed or hosted somewhere else, or you pick an image from a Google and you have your image on a Google and you just only pick up URL for that image and you can paste it that URL simply here as well. So like if I go here and maybe you can say cat image. Okay, so like this. So if I go here and I'm gonna copy the URL, copy image address, and I'm gonna paste that URL here, so the image would be like directly would be visible here. But in that case obviously if you are hosting your image on your server, then it's fine. But if you have not hosted your image on your server, then if someone who is the owner of this image delete the image, so your image would become invalid. Okay, so it's better to use image which is hosted on your server and which is hosted on your platform. Okay, otherwise you have another option which is asset image. Okay, so asset image is basically if you want to pick an image from your gallery. So this is your Flutterflow gallery media asset. So this is your Flutterflow gallery and I have one image right now. So if I go and select an asset, so I'll be able to see only one image. Either I can upload it from my gallery or I can upload it from a Flutterflow gallery. So if I click here, so you can see that one image which I click here, so you can see it's added now. Okay, so also if you want to set the image format, so it's totally fine. You can set it like if it's an SVG or image, or it's better to use auto so that it will automatically pick the correct format. Okay, so the third option of image type is uploaded file basically. So if you are using in uploaded file, if I pick here, so you can see that it's asking me to upload a specific file. So in this format we must need to add a upload image as well. So let me tell you what I'm talking about. So basically so it's asking for uploaded file right now. Okay, so we need to click here and we need to add an image. So basically we are picking an image from a gallery. Okay, so we need to open and on tab, then action, then image, upload and save image. You can see that upload and save image media, which is fine for us, and I'm gonna select the upload media, and now this is coming from either camera or gallery. Okay, and the upload name is image upload. Maybe we can say this, and maybe we can say show snack bar as well if we want to show. And there you can see store. Okay, so just a second. There you can see media type source. So it are saying that whether to upload image Firebase. So in case the URL of uploaded file will be available for the option of Firebase. Okay, so it's basically telling you about the Firebase kind of scenario, but we are not using Firebase for now, so we are only uploading the image. So we did this thing, and now it's time to bind the image which we are picking. So if I go back and click upload widget state, so you can see that uploaded local file. So whatever the image I am picking from my gallery, if I want to show that image here, so you can show it. You can see its local file is now added, and the image is now set. So you can also show this thing directly on your Flutterflow. Okay, so this is uploaded file, local file basically. Okay, so now the thing is that if you also want to adjust the alignment, which is fine for you, that the most important thing which we can do is make expandable. So this is really important feature. So if you allow to make it expandable, so whenever the user interact with an image, when the user click on it, then click on image, so it will pop up into a bigger picture, bigger view, and you can watch it. So you can simply enable that option. So when your user click on it, so it will expand, and when click again to the cross button, so it will collapse. And you can set the box fit all of the alignment features based upon the image area. This is the most important, this is the most widely used alignment feature, but you can also use any other one if you want. And you can also add any hero action animation. Hero animation means that if you want to add any animation to pop up this image in a specific manner, so you can add this thing. So maybe you can say that, but I don't want to add an hero image, so we will be covering a hero animation in a separate video as well. So let's reload the application and see how this image look like and how we can interact this image. Okay, so it's throwing an error. Video player asset path. Okay, so open. Okay, so basically it's an upload file issue basically. So it's not picking the exact format, so it is totally fine. So we are gonna pick any other one and drop an URL which we pick. So let's see. For now, in the next video I'm gonna share you I know this error, so this is happen every time you do this thing, uploaded file. So just saying that video player controller now. Okay, totally fine. So I'm gonna delete this action, store media to upload, because I have not defined any specific situation where I'm gonna save this image, so that's why it's popping this error. Okay, so let me delete this action and expand action image. It's this action is automatically added. So if I'm gonna delete this thing and go back and click here and see, so you can see expandable is now off. So I'm gonna click it here again, and you can see that the expand image is added. So now let me reload the screen and let's see the application. Okay, so now the application is now running, and if I click here, so you can see that image is now expanded, and when you need to click here, then it will be collapsed, which is totally fine. And do we have any other thing? Yeah, we don't have any other thing in the image pattern. But if let me talk about the circular image. The only difference between the circular image is it is in a circular manner, it is in a circular format. So you can see yeah, you can see the only difference between image and circular image. So let's suppose if you want to use any avatar or something like that, so you can use a circular image. It will also take a path, it will also take both of three things, and there we have only a diameter. You can change it like 10, 20, 200, something like that, and the other things are remain same. So this is the major difference between both of these. And if you want to expand this image as well, so you can also do this thing by using open on tab, add action, and here you can search expand image, and now when you click on it, so it will also expand. Although the built-in property of image, it will not give you an image, but you can click on expand, go to expand image and add, so that it will also allow you to expand the image. So let's see the behavior of this circular image. Okay, now when I click here, so you can see that it's now expanding. Okay, so that's how you can manage your images. And for the uploaded file path, what I suggest you, it's better to use a base64 URL. So in the next video I'm gonna cover the topic how you can convert the URL into base64 format, and then you can show your image directly, which is uploaded onto your into your local, which is uploaded locally basically. Okay, so I'm going to show you into the next video, so stay tuned for the next video, and thank you so much for watching this video. And obviously this will we are going to cover some of the more features or advancement of this images into the upcoming video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you into the next video.